It's wonderful, and it's a different day in life in Philips.
Good to see all that Philips people, all the Philips healthcare people in the same roof, sharing their learnings and share their projects. It will be helpful for us to raising our profitability and productivity in all the modalities and all.
Great. It is a really energetic and great learning for all of us. Yes. It's a really different thing. I would say being in finance, we were always a sport function. Now this kite program has given an opportunity to become a business partner, really a business partner for all of us.
It is a superb program. As per the quality sake, the Philips is doing something really good.
I can tell you it's a smacking experience for us, and it's smack all around. So we are going to win all the customers which are coming our way. So it's a fantastic experience.
We will smack you.
It was really interesting to participate in this QIC program. You know, it's again knowledge sharing based program. So we come out with our idea and we did this project. And I can say this is a strong platform to achieve more improvements for the organization.
It's really interesting because it helps us making new processes, improvement in the work style as well as getting output in a more efficient way.
Yeah, this is a very great experience, I would say. This is one of the improvement area. We learn by doing things, we learn by seeing things.
Yeah, it's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Fantastic. It's very good. Very good learnings from across all the booths.
It's always exciting to be a part of a QIC program, and over the years, it's our 5th QIC program. Whenever we come for a QIC program, we all enjoy. It's a great learning experience to learn from others and to showcase our results.
Fantastic. We are really excited to be here. We are really thrilled. we have been able to, for particularly our project, for example, has been influencing the customer satisfaction, which is a key parameter, in retaining our existing customers and also about influencing future orders. So this is one major factor through our project we have been influenced.
Yeah, I think one of the values it brought the cross-functional teams together to work on the common areas which will impact the business in a big way, be it top line, be it EBITDA, be it NOC. And the culture towards improving the things and eliminating the waste has just started. So Kite is definitely key to improve and excel.
There's been a top line impact of nearly about 10 million euros. We've made an impact of I think 7 million euros in the NOC, and EBIT there is some 2 to 3 million euros. I don't have the numbers offhand, but so these are very substantial fact-based results that we've all seen. So I'm delighted to see what Key Market India has covered up in such a short period of time.
I think it's Lean and Six Sigma have become a part of everyday life now for many people. So it will add a lot of value. It will add an addition of a lot of quality processes in the system and really encourage people to do projects which give us a lot of business incremental values and inculcate quality systems.
Going around looking at the booths today, and one step back, and I actually told you, Vidur, I told you that just put imaging systems and put the whole value chain. Then step back and look at from the sheer market opportunity. How do I populate the needs and convert them into real demand, and then continue the flow from getting the order, converting it into execution, installing it fast, delighting the customer, and the beauty of the beauty is, even having installed to the customer, close to the end of his life cycle, upgrade and generate more income. What a beautiful story unfolding. What a beautiful story. And guys, there are little pockets of wonder. Absolutely outstanding. Hats off to all of you. Preachers! Preachers! Preachers!
The one and the only optimizer. Optimizers are predictable again. Optimizer.
Well, we have the Lean Silver going to none other than challengers.
So this category is for Lean Gold. Any guesses, please?
Six silver, and the expected winner is. Go ahead, guys. Okay, it's Seek the Beat.
So we have some special category awards. So I'd like to call upon Victor for all the support that he's provided to us, to Key Market India, to make sure that we actually get on this journey.
The only way to make sure I finish it in exactly 60 seconds. You don't have to disclose this. It's live!
Oh my God, this was such an incredible program. So we've eliminated waste. We've had an incredible team. I think both in terms of business impact, we can grow top line, we can improve margins and reduce costs and reduce waste by this KITE program. I'm fully converted to KITE.
KITE, keep improving to excel. This is a name which all of us created together, branded together. We started this year in 2010 by branding the entire Lean and Six Sigma program as KITE. It's been an exciting journey and a very, very huge learning experience to see so many people in healthcare involved in this journey. KITE will keep on going high and high and high and high and high.